21 degrees. Today's weather pattern has that low really digging within that trough, and that's where we've got that cold air that's spilling southbound, and we've got warm air that's shooting northbound, so we've got a cold wintry side, and then potential for a severe weather tornado on the front side. So Draco moving eastbound as we go later in the day, and that is where all that snow will follow. On the northern side of that warm front, okay? So everyone north, say, of I-70 is going to get some pretty significant snow out of this. There we go tomorrow. Now the low has traversed itself over into the Great Lakes. A lot of cold air on the north side. That means a lot of snow for us. Iowa into Wisconsin. Blizzard warnings in effect for you. Then the low pushing its way over to Ontario as we go into Friday. Again, snow on the backside means the lake effect for many of you. Let's go city by city. Denver, North Platte, over toward Omaha late in the day. Here comes the snow for you. And then tomorrow, right along I-80 and going right up into Wisconsin, by the way, is going to be the track of that low and the track of that snow. Cold air over the lakes means the lake effect snow on Friday, but Scranton, Burlington, much of the northeast, we're still in the warm sector, so we're looking at plain old rain. But look at the wind alerts here across Texas. It's really going to be howling. Watch these lines on the map, okay? Those are lines of equal pressure, isobars. What happens is when they're real tight together, that's when you have a really, really tight pressure gradient. That means the winds howl. Look at tomorrow morning when you wake up. The winds will be 30 plus and snow coming down. It is going to be ugly tomorrow morning for sure, Maria.
That's just sustained the winds. That's amazing. All right, well, as we just mentioned, Draco's also spawning a severe weather side, potentially even some tornadoes. Our severe weather expert, Dr. Greg Forbes, has the details.
Good morning. It looks like it could be a stormy evening, overnight, and even into Thursday. Sometimes these winter storm systems also have a severe side on their south and east flanks. That looks like it will be the case with Draco. Surface low here pulling in warm and increasingly moist air, and the jet stream, the cold pocket with that, pushes east, making it at least unstable enough for severe thunderstorms, and a low-level jet here in yellow a few thousand feet above the ground, maybe 70 miles per hour, turning and increasing in the winds with height, could allow a few tornadoes. The cold pocket aloft charges east on Thursday and could give a squall line that marches with it with damaging wind gusts. Here's where it looks like we'll start this evening. Eastern parts of Oklahoma, western Arkansas, northeast parts of Texas. A spotty damaging wind gust threat, maybe a tornado. Gets a little bit more widespread overnight, mainly damaging gusts, but possibly a tornado as that cold pocket aloft catches up and the cold front starts marching east. Anywhere maybe from southern Illinois all the way down to Houston and New Orleans, maybe even western Alabama by morning, could have that threat for a damaging gust and an isolated tornado. Stay safe. Back to you.
Dr. Forbes, thank you so much. Yeah, that tornado threat today, not a high one. It is, though, in eastern Oklahoma, western Arkansas, northeast Texas.